I'm Bob Ewing. I've lived in Lawrence County most of my life. Raised a family here in business, some commercial as well as ag. I think Lawrence County is one of the greatest counties in the state. I'm very proud to be here. And I was also afforded the, you folks has put me on the county commission. I'm in my 3rd term, and it's been a tremendous experience. I want to answer the county commission questions, Jerry, rather than what you've got in store for us here. Anyway, being on the county commission and dealing with some of the state issues that come down to the county level has prompted me to take an interest in the state. And I'm probably not going to do real well answering some of these questions because I'm not that familiar with what goes on in the state, but I feel I've worked very hard for the citizens of Lawrence County on the county level, and I'd be more than willing to do the same on the state level. Thank
you. We'll be on the same playing field, and I won't use the mic either, and I'll try to speak loudly enough for everybody to hear me. I'm Tom Nelson. It's been my privilege and pleasure and big honor for the last 4 years to serve as your state senator. Like Fred said, the state legislature is a very busy job. In my 1st term, I was on Senate Taxation Committee, and like John said, we kill a lot of bills there, rightfully so. I was named Vice Chairman of Senate Commerce Committee and also Chairman of Senate Retirement Laws as well as Joint Retirement Laws. Now, a couple of years ago, we got a lot of attention because of the economic downturn. And our trust funds and the retirement funds have taken quite a slip. But I'm extremely proud of the work of retirement laws as well as our South Dakota Investment Council, of which Joe England here from Spearfish is the chairman, that righted the ship and made sure those funds are solvent. Now, 2 years ago when I went to the legislature, I was named chairman of a very busy committee, that's Senate Commerce and now Energy Committee. We see all the banking bills, the insurance bills, a lot of agency bills, and now all the energy bills. We see about 25% of the bills that come through the Senate. And my job as chairman is not only to carry a lot of those bills on the floor, but also make sure the ones that aren't any good get killed in committee. But my job doesn't end at the end of session. I'm also on the executive board of the legislature. We meet throughout the year. Our biggest job is to set up the summer studies. 3 years ago, I was named chairman of the summer study on alcohol revision. We went through the chapter and completely redid the chapter on a lot of laws that were about 80 years old. Thank you. Also, last year I was on the sales tax summer study, which was very disappointing. I'm here to tell you I voted for each one of the exemptions to come off. None of them did through the legislature. But I thought a lot of them just didn't make sense. And further, this year we have set up, we're going to explore the opportunities and challenges with South Dakota is seeing with the oil boom that's going on in North Dakota. That suggestion came out of my Commerce Committee, and I not only expect to be on the committee, I suspect I will be named chairman of that summer study. So with that, I stress local control, whether it be county, city, township, it doesn't matter. I think local control is the most important, and that's the most important thing the legislature can do, is to keep it local. With that, I look forward to your questions, and I hope I can gain your support for the June 5th primary.